Okay, everybody, we made it. It is Friday. I can't believe it's Friday. I'm happy it's Friday. It's been a crazy week here. So yes, Friday, May 21st, 2021. Here's the story right now. The stock market is poised for a higher open right now. Futures are higher. Trading doesn't start for about 30 minutes. Okay. What else would you expect here? Again, round after round of terrible economic news, and the market continues to go higher. It's all part of the same freak show, and you all know that. So what else is going on? So stock futures are higher. Crude oil is catching a bid here. I mean, come on, people. We watched crude oil fall over 5% in the last 2 days, all because of the issues in the Middle East, which are temporarily resolved here. It's an incredible situation. Wednesday, crude oil fell like 3% on just the prospect that there were talks going on that a ceasefire was about to occur. And then yesterday, the ceasefire did occur, and crude fell another 2.2%. All right, you know how this works, but trust me on this one. Something else is coming. Crude oil will be propped up. I don't know another way to put it. So just watch for it. Another false flag event. Probably something bigger. Again, they're not going to let it fall. They can't do it. It will hit the market. It will hit the banks in their pocketbooks. That will not be permitted. Okay, so that's the way that's going to play out. It's always the same story. The dollar right now is flat. Gold and silver are about flat right now. Cryptocurrencies are slightly under pressure, but with regard to cryptocurrencies, it looks to me that they are consolidating here. There is a lot of institutional buying here. So again, when any asset, doesn't have to be cryptocurrencies, the stock market, or anything else, when it takes a big hit like that, it takes a little while to consolidate a new bottom. And I think that's what's going on here. I think they are developing another bottom, and this will lead to a new leg higher. Look, of course, there's always the prospect, and this could be any asset. As it's trying to form a bottom, some other piece of news comes out that could hit it again. But if that doesn't happen with regard to, let's say, cryptos, that's what I'm talking about right now, we are now forming another bottom. I hate picking tops and bottoms. You know that. I am not in that business. Any one of you traders out here that is in the business of trying or attempting to pick tops and bottoms, I say good luck to you. You're going to need it. Professional traders trade trends. That's what they do. They're not bottom pickers. They're not top pickers. It just doesn't work that way. But if you think you can do it, well, then good for you. We'll see how that plays out over time. I'm telling you how to win here. That's what I always attempt to do. All right, people. So, that's really the story here. Not too much going on. It's kind of a quiet morning here. Again, stock futures are higher. Dollar flat. Crude oil getting propped up. 10-year yield. Sorry, I didn't mention that. Stable. So there's nothing going on here really overwhelming other than the usual crap. The Fed buying it all. They're not going to stop. They're going to buy more. We got this story of the digital dollar coming out. They were talking about it again this morning on Bloomberg. Yes, there is going to be a digital dollar, but that's not the bigger picture. The bigger picture is this. Every single central bank around the world, they're all moving in the same direction. It's all about control. And you know that. It all started with the scamdemic and the freaking face diapers. They want to see what they can do, what they can pull off, what people will tolerate, what sheep are going to fall in line, like most people unfortunately do, not you, if you follow this blog. They do not like people like you and I. We think outside of the box. We are critical thinkers. If you're a critical thinker, you're a public enemy, according to them. And you know who they are. the real government, which is not the government they throw in our face. This is the Federal Reserve, who's running the entire world. That's the truth. We already have a one world government. You don't have to wait for it. The one world government is run by the central banks. They call the shots. They control the currency. They control the narrative. They have bought and paid for virtually every single politician around the world. And that's the way it's going to go, unfortunately, as we move towards this new thing, this new paradigm, this new set of rules, which just keeps coming down the pike. I think you all know that. All right, people, look, so that's it. Keep your eye on these things. You know what to do. You know where the opportunities are, people. I can't stress this enough to you. You know, you got to become your own central bank. Bet against that debt, the debt bubble, the debt hyper bubble. You know, just pay attention to what's going on around you. Raise your awareness. Raise other people's awareness too. And how you can do that? Simple. Share this video. Get it out there. Please share all my work. Please give this video a thumbs up if you agree with what I am saying. If you don't, that's fine too. Place a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me where I got it wrong. And that's it. I'll see you later.